Now comes the most important part, because basic we have studied trigonometric ratios of acute angles. So first I will find out first part, trigonometry ratios means trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios of acute angle A, which I have taken as say theta. A I have taken as theta. So we will consider this triangle. A angle I have taken theta. The first trigonometric ratio we call sine theta, S-I-N-E, sine theta. In short we write it as S-I-N, but when we read it, we'll not read it sin theta, we'll read it as sine theta only. So sine theta, the formula for sine theta, this ratio is side opposite to the angle theta divided by the hypotenuse. So side opposite to angle theta is how much? BC, and what is the hypotenuse? AC. So BC upon AC. So I have written BC upon AC, or you can say perpendicular. BC we can call it perpendicular also. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse. P upon H. Second is cosine theta. In short we read it as cos theta. This is side adjacent to angle theta upon hypotenuse. So side adjacent to angle theta, that is this is theta, that is AB upon hypotenuse, that is AC. So it will be AB upon AC, or base upon hypotenuse. This we can call it base also. No? This is base, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. So base upon hypotenuse, B upon H. Third is tangent theta. Tangent theta, or we call in short as tan theta. So tan theta is ratio of side opposite to side adjacent. Side opposite to side adjacent, that is BC upon AB. That is BC upon AB, or you can say perpendicular upon base. Now depending on these three we can take the reverse ratios also. The reverse of sine is cosecant or cosec theta. Reverse of cos or cosine is secant or sec theta in short. And reverse of tangent or tan theta is cotangent or cot theta. So these are the three main ratios, and these are the three reverse. So sine, cos, tan, cosec, secant, cot. So cosec will be reverse of this, hypotenuse upon side opposite to theta. That is AC upon BC now. It will get reverse. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Similarly, sec theta will be reverse of cos, hypotenuse upon side adjacent. That is AC upon AB, or hypotenuse upon base. And last is cot theta, reverse of tan. That is side adjacent divided by side opposite. That is AB upon BC, or perpendicular upon, base upon perpendicular. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios which we will study. This I have taken out for angle A, acute angle A. Now similarly, with the help of this triangle, you will find out the trigonometric ratios of angle C yourself. Is that clear? You will write the T ratios of angle C. You can name that angle as alpha also. You can name this angle as alpha. Is that clear? So go through these things today.